So we will be giving you step-by-step instruction on how to make the dishes we'll be making today.
I'm gonna try this bread. The reason is this. The
Modern bread.
brand is Modern Bread.
It's not bitter.
It's not bitten. It's just the last,
Broken.
the end slice. The reason I want to taste this is when I was small, one of the bread brand was the Modern Bread, and it was like it has a nice sweet texture and taste to it. So you can just keep on eating it. After going to Canada and coming back, I never had that type of bread. I never seen this company bread in Kerala either. So when this guy said they have the Modern Bread, I said get a loaf and see what it is.
It's just cut. They have it cut.
It's almost the same taste as many years ago. So here is to nostalgia. But the problem is, after eating it, I need some water. So I will get my assistant to
I am the cook.
get some water.
Right now.
So here's the assistant hard at work, getting some water. Okay,
Okay. So
let me taste the water. Boy, it's a good thing she's the assistant and not the real cook.
yeah.
The water is terrible.
It's not flavored water. It's water.
But water is water, right? So I had to
It
drink
doesn't
it.
have any taste.
So she's saying that she forgot to add the salt and sugar to it. That's why.
What?
Okay,
What sugar is needed for what? Okay. So
back to the cooking session. So we are going to start cooking, and here's the ingredients. The assistant, the main cook, is going to explain what those are. I'm going to help her.
okay. So we got the bread for the garlic bread. We got mayonnaise, cabbage.
Take it and hold it to the camera.
This is cabbage. Just right.
Yes.
Here we have some. I think this is cucumber.
Yes.
And we have the bhaji chili.
Yes.
Okay. We got some olive oil.
Mhm.
We get for free. Soda. Some vinegar, apple cider, white vinegar, pinted black olives. We got some potatoes. Potato. We got some lemons. Here we got 4 lemons. We got the garlic butter, which we already had here. We got the carrots. We got some tomatoes. And some lettuce.
So those are all good. I didn't have to help her. Now the thing is, for what are the items we're going to be making?
So we are gonna be making garlic bread.
Mhm.
My mother's recipe.
Okay.
We'll be making some bhaji chili
Yes.
cooked, and we'll be making salad
Mhm.
and one veggie roll.
Okay.
Oh wait, right, and also potato wedges.
Potato wedges. Yes.
All we are gonna make and explain step by step.
Right. And so for all of those, she explained all the stuff here. We don't need white vinegar.
No?
No, we have the cider vinegar.
Oh, right.
Okay. Are we putting olives in the salad?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need that one.
Potato wedges.
And we have the potatoes.
We'll also need a slice of lemon,
Yeah,
underneath.
squeeze it. Yeah. So everything is there.
Okay. So my name is Nanika. I'm 10 years old and I'll be cooking.
That's what she thinks.
Most of them